p.m. I guess is having State of the Nation today, 7 p.m. Biafran time. I think we have some time to go. So please, as you join in this live broadcast, I expect you to like the video, comment and tell us what you think about what they're going to discuss so far, because we are here to react to some of the few videos that are out there. Because for days now, the video wedding was yesterday and Kenyans protesting everywhere. Social media is quite busy about Kenyans, and so funny videos and heartbreaking videos are everywhere. You know, people are reacting and some people are celebrating, happy for them. Some people are happy for them, just like when Nigerians trying to organize themselves, the time of answers and all that. The whole world was, you know, backing them up before they show what Nigeria is made of, which is backing down to their elders, thinking that they're doing themselves good. And that is why I said I don't take sure, and anybody shouting, protesting, and all that, I don't take you serious, because I know it's business as usual. Everybody want their voice to be heard. Everybody want to look like a superstar, taking advantage of what is going on to people, you know, to build themselves, and by so doing, thinking that they are relevant. It's a matter of time. All of them will start shouting, "Oh, this is celebrity," and all that. They want to be celebrating. Hi, brother Kai report. Good evening, dear. Thank you so much, Excellence Wachuku and Chidubemo. Chidubemo, you are doing very, very good to support us in any way you can. I really appreciate that. And let's see what we can do about that, because these days, if I come live, you are one of the people that will comment. Thank you so much for that. And I thank you all that are doing one or two things to support us. Please like the video. I can see that some of you have clicked on the like button. Please, if you have not liked the video, okay, this is we are only 2 minutes on the program. We have 12 people watching, because I believe most of you have not seen me online for the since morning, because I was busy actually. And why I'm here to stream now is because I know probably PM may like to do State of the Nation today, and we are waiting for that. So I don't want to be here while he's having State of the Nation. So like as I was saying, Kenyans are busy with their fighting for their future, whereas Nigerians are busy fighting another tribe to protect their own criminal. That is why it will never be easy to make anything work in that country. The only way that if you really want something different, if you don't want your children to face what you have faced, or what your own parents have faced in Nigeria, is the only thing you need to do is to support your own people. If you are an Arewa, okay, go to your Arewa people and start, preaching about Arewa people to have their own freedom. Everybody is trapped. You may have president as your brother today. 4 years, 8 years, that person will go. Another criminal will enter. So the question is, you that are supporting them, when are you going to be president, or your uncle, your brother will become president? When do you think that you have a president? As an Igbo man, that you have a P2B as a president of Nigerian will not give you anything. It won't give you a guarantee of a better country. It will not secure your children's future. It will not give you good hospital. That's how it's known. Can you beat your chest and say that once you have an Igbo man as a president of Nigeria, that good hospital is being guaranteed? Igbo women, not only Igbo women in Nigerians are giving birth in darkness, in dark room, using condom. And some of them are going through hell just to bear a child. Then when you check on other nations, other countries, how they bear their own, how pregnant women is being taken care of, you will find out that the women in Nigeria, I'm using Nigeria now because that is where our focus should be, because not on entire Africa. Women in Nigeria are the worst people. Nigeria is the worst place for a pregnant woman to give birth. It's not because the money is not there. It's not because the population is not there, or we don't have good doctors and all that. No, but the system itself is the problem. Everything fake, 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 fake. As you can see on the title, I put it there: fake country, fake citizens, fake leaders. All of them are fake. Nothing is real. And when people talk about Biafra, some of you You think that is a, you are talking about it because you want to be relevant. You want people to respect you. Watching from Mauritania, Iceland, that is where our brother children. Biafrans are everywhere, like I always say, everywhere. Last time we have somebody that's watching from Morocco. These are things we need to appreciate. That Biafrans are everywhere. Excuse me. Okay, sorry about that. Jude, you are watching from Los Angeles. That's one of my, when I was growing up, that's if you ask me where do you want to live, I will tell you Los Angeles. I don't know why I like the name so much. I don't know because of the angel. When we were in primary school, I remember those days. If anybody asks me where do you think if you live in Nigeria, where will you go? I will tell you Los Angeles. Then I started playing, watching. That was when I was in secondary school then, not primary school. This one is secondary school. Then I was going through YouTube, playing videos, music about Los Angeles, those local singers there and all that. Anyway, that's by the way. So my people, anybody that tells you that we don't appreciate PM enough and Mass Namakan, we don't appreciate these two individuals. Because many people that are talking Biafra today, just like you I'm talking now, many people are not actually for Biafra. Once they have what they want, they seal their mouth. Some are using it to get relevant. Once you are being known, you think you can attack other people. You think you can rise against Biafra. You think you can say something different from what freedom fighters or people that love freedoms should be doing. Starting from those ones that are calling for restructuring, not restructure, calling for regional government and all that. Some people may say it's a restructure, but what I'm trying to say in essence is this. Biafran freedom is something that every Nigerians need to consider. Because you yourself as well need a freedom from your own side. Are you trying to tell me now that Yorubas are happy? The way it is, they're happy. The president of the Nigerian today is from that region. Are they proud of him? The answer is no, unless those are benefiting from it, or maybe they're saying they're proud of him because they want you from other nations like Igbo or other tribe to feel pained that you couldn't make it to be there and they have somebody there. Hello, one day, bro, Kai report. Good evening. Good evening to you, John, Uchenna. See you. And Jude. Okay, Jude, I've commented on your own. You are the one that watching from Los Angeles. So please like the video, Don't forget to like the video. It's very, very important if you can. Okay, I'm not mandating you. I'm just begging you to do that. So I have seen many videos trending from people from Nigeria shouting, "We stand by Kenyans. Kenyans are doing this. Kenyans are doing that. Kenyans are this. How?" Even some politicians are now commenting on that. And all those things is because it is good to appreciate, to like it when somebody fights. When somebody fights, and you can say, "Oh, you admire what happened," but it depends that comes with fighting. You don't want it to. Now, let me not waste much time on this because I want us to understand that people that were shouting P2B because they want shortcut to be free, because maybe they gave you some money to campaign with your platform and you jump out. PM is a better man. Oh, he's trying to cause problem in our land. Then you now bring all the criminal activities in our region and you now label it PM and Biafrans simply because you want to be relevant. So I think the best way to start this program properly is to start it with Lizzie. Some of you know Lizzie Kano. Kano is the person. Lizzie Kano is one of the somebody that people believe that she's actually making sense, that she's sensible enough. When you listen to her, she sounds very, very so eloquent. But every now and then she will be moving from pillar to pole. dangling like a dry grass. Wind will be blowing you from left and right. Any time this one give you something you want to comment. If you don't know her, please. The person I'm talking about is this yellow papa. This yellow papa here you are seeing here. She is the one that I'm talking about. I used to follow her, listen to her before, but when people was deceiving many of you that he want to be president of Nigeria, and this president of Nigeria that he want to become is for everybody. In fact, he's not Igbo enough. See, somehow he wanted to tell God that can I come from Fulani womb so that I will prove to them that I am more northerner than the north. He did everything. He started even learning how to read Quran. He studied Quran just to become president. He learned how to. He don't normally squat. He learned that one to squat. He succeeded in learning all those things, but when the time of the exam comes, he didn't enter examination hall with his pen. And Tinubu wrote his own exam, answered the questions, and submitted his paper on time, and told the vigilator to tell everybody to submit. You must submit whether you have finished or not. Drop your pen. That's how P2B walked out from the examination hall empty. So I want you to hear what she said here. Sorry that I muted myself because I have to attend to something quickly. We are back, so let's start from her video.
57 years ago, Biafran Republic was declared by Ordinary vote. 54 years later, the issues that led to the declaration of Biafra has not been settled yet. Instead, it has gotten worse. May the souls of Biafran women, children, men, and pregnant women that were starved to death in 1967 to 1970 genocide continue to seek vengeance against the Nigerian state.
Now, let me say this disclaimer: I'm not here to attack anybody to support any violence. I'm not here to support any violence, any fight, or anything that has nothing to do with peace. Why I'm playing her video here is not actually to attack her personality. I'm just trying to let you know that we have many people like this, people that believe that the agitation should start from their belly, how to satisfy your want and your need. That's how to get your freedom, and not by doing the right thing. But we know that for you to actually have this freedom that you think that you are looking for, you must have something in you, which is ability to resist, because you cannot fight for freedom from your comfort zone. You must come out to feel the pain. Then you can fight and know when to start and where to stop. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anything that comes in to benefit you, or that you gain, you think that any gain that you see on the way shouldn't be counted, because if you started counting on the good things that you are benefiting from, you lose the track. She jumped from talking about Igbo people and the Biafran and all that, even though she had been since the one she don't support PM. She's in line. She keep herself in with DOS and other people. She don't like what Biafrans actually want. During the time of election, P2B, she is the one that jumped out and said, obedient people that you need to don't mind these people that they are shouting Biafra. They're in abroad though. They are jobless people in abroad, in Europe, in America. She insulted everybody. Then election come and gone, and then her eyes were the whole thing was like a film. Then when dollar began to hammer naira to the extent that naira couldn't even see the day, couldn't see anybody anymore, naira went blind. She's made another video that you that in abroad don't rejoice, because even though you make your money in the day, you think you are making money in hard currency. Here in Nigeria, you need to come back and spend it also, and things are very, very expensive. Then you find out that money that you made in abroad, these are people that don't appreciate good things. People that are actually, trying to bring their problem to make sure what gives them joy is that everybody is having the same problem. Not that this person is out to solve the problem, but what makes you feel relaxed is when you look at your neighbor and your neighbor is going through pain that you are going through. No problem, that pain is normal. This is the kind of people in Nigeria you will find that this kind of people that when NEPA take their life, they will, instead of them to complain why NEPA, what is the reason, why is this that NEPA always take light? What is the reason behind NEPA always take their light? Why are we not having constant light? They will be open the window and go out. Oh, the other neighbors, the whole street, there's no light. Oh, no problem, let me go and sleep. After it is normal. These are the people. But when things seems to be normal about Biafrans, they will come out to put their voice. When things go hard, they will disappear. They will start shouting, this country can work. You need to put this in together. Just that they don't want us to feel inclusive. As if if you are given, maybe they give that opportunity. The people that you are living together in the country, do they have the same ideology and the same mentality that you have? The answer is no. Like I said, I'm not here to attack her, but I'm trying to highlight to us reason why most of us need to be, who we are. If you are A, be A. If you are B, be B. Don't deceive people. Don't deceive people. Then listen.
Until justice is served, there will never be peace for the wicked. Let it be on record that the genocide General Yakubu Gowon and the Nigerian state committed against the indigenous people shall never be swept under the carpet without repercussion.
Just 3 months ago, she was busy trying to sweep it under the carpet by bringing people who told you that Biafra is dead, and you are championing about Obi. You use your platform to make sure that you render the effort of Biafrans seeking for freedom of our people down. You talk down. In the past, you have talked down about PM. You have talked down on him. If she is one of the people that started doing the propaganda that PM as attacking Oyendo's wife, which is, I said it yesterday, is a lie. I challenge you, bring the video where Mazi Simon Eba attacked Oyendo's wife. I challenge anybody, please bring the video. Even a post. If you have seen a post of PM, public post, I'm not talking about those that are using his picture. I'm talking about from his official Twitter handle. Bring it. Where Simon Ekpa, PM, attacked Mazen Mekano's wife. Bring it. But all of them, people that are done, once in a blue moon, you go to his Twitter, you listen to, you read his post, you watch some of his posts. And some of you are okay with it, but out of your jealousness and envy, you pretend that even though he have done this, let me not talk more about it. Let me not say much about it. It doesn't matter. Whatever he's doing it for his criminality. That's the word I use. But deep down your mind, you know that what he's doing is right. And the problem is that why must he come from him? Why not me? The same sickness they have against Masamon Ekano, most of them that were attacking him as Ekano, it's nothing that it has nothing to do with what Masakano said or what he's doing. They know that what he's doing is the right thing to do. But why must he be the one that people are listening to? Why not me? After all, I am his elder. Who do you think he is? And the best thing to prove that he's nothing is to sabotage him. Okay, then he will bring in thinking that he have a fellow Biafran. Next thing is you bringing his information out and trying to sabotage him. We are not here to talk about sabotage on Mazen American, but I want us to pay attention to people that love good things, but they hate the way to get that good things.
Congratulations to United Kingdom, United States of America, Federal Government of Nigeria, and Yakubu Gowon. It is 57 years already. 57 years ago, you massacred 5 million innocent men and children to keep Nigeria as one. You wasted 5 million Igbos for the Nigeria you and I are seeing today. But guess what? We are Igbos. We are unshaken. We cannot be broken. We are still here. You marginalized us because you want to make us weak, docile, and scared. You said as far as we pray, Biafra will remain an illusion. You also said, instead of an Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria, let the rope holding the foundation of Nigeria collapse before your eyes. The creation of Nigeria in 1914 is only but a cost to the indigenous people, and these are the achievements of 1914 amalgamation so far. Lives perished, investments gone, and properties destroyed. Ojukwu knew that a day like this would come. In order to avert the unfortunate incident or for future occurrences, he asked for a restructured Nigeria. A restructured Nigeria that will permit each region to govern themselves and manage their resources while promoting autonomous society that fosters development and the maintenance of indigenous or regional resources geared at improving the lives of the people without external intervention. The Aburi Accord meeting was initially agreed by both parties. Gowon arrived Nigeria, and the success of the meeting was truncated by Britain, the colonial masters.
You know, if you are listening to what she's saying, everything is sounding nice, right? You're enjoying it. The same mouth. Don't worry. I will remind you of this video later. In case you have not followed her in the past, it's not by speech. What is she going to do about the extrajudicially buying? She is singing one Nigerian. She's a one Nigerianist. She's just a one Nigerianist, and she's using that to cash out. Why? Is because our people are so emotional. We are somehow we are too sentimental. When people talked about our problem like this, we feel, wow, you are one of us. We cannot do without you. Are that like this? Our brother shared his video here. I will still read out his post. This our brother. Maybe this our brother don't know who she is. This lady you are seeing here. Say that all Biafrans, not PM alone, that all of us, all of you abroad, that you are jobless people in Asia, jobless people in Europe, jobless people in America. That's what she said during the election, because PM said Biafrans don't go out and vote because of her love for P2B. She was busy insulting everybody. I'm telling you, now that she have gone and come back, she have tested the election, she have the results, and she trying to also do some video against not P2B, Tinubu and all that. After that, as if that will carry any weight, nothing. P2B that you are trying to fight for, what is the difference between P2B and Tinubu? It's just opportunity. Opportunity only. Both of them are the same. Was P2B not a governor of Anambra State? Did Biafran not? Did he not buy Biafrans? Massacre. You are talking about a extrajudiciary claim and all that. P2B that you are singing, you were backing up. P2B buy Biafrans with pride. You understand? And after buying Biafrans, years later, he's out telling you that Biafran is dead for 60 years ago, and you are here after supporting P2B to become president of Nigeria. You are here telling us history of, and you said that nothing will happen, that or the justice must be prevailed and all that. So had it been that P2B won the election, would we be here reading the history of what Biafran have gone through in the hands of Nigeria? People without honor, without shame. Not only her, many of them. Like I said, I'm not here to attack her, but I am attacking her character, and not him as not her as an individual, as a person, but what she have done and what she's tended to do, because she will still do the same thing after reading history and sounding so nice. And people who don't know her, who have not followed her in the past, we think, wow, we have a very brilliant Biafran sister. You follow her, you like her, you share her video. But again, they forget. Another election, 2027, when P2B will come out again and they will renew her contract. Then I forget again. I don't follow people that I'm not sure of. I must be sure of you before I pay attention to you. If not, because I know many are business-minded people who, if you have listened to Ikenga, I'm using Ikenga for example. Ikenga, before the kidnapping of Masan, let's say Ikenga 2019, okay? Ikenga 2020, or let me bring it down. Ikenga 2021, before the kidnap of Masan, if anybody would have, maybe approach to you and say, look, this guy that you're listening to, he will disappoint you, he will denounce Biafra, will you have, I mean, what will you tell that person? Knowing what Ikenga was doing, that he was standing very, very, he was vocal. So why I'm pointing out Ikenga is that people that know him. But now that they have decided to expose themselves, I have to trade with caution. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu na ọbụna ma anụ m na-ajụgbu ha ajụgbu mmatị ya n'ọnụ mma jụgba before m ndị mba eje ka m wee jụgbuo before ndị.
Ojukwu got frustrated. He declared the Republic of Biafra on the 30th of May, 1967. On 27th January 1968, Biafran currency pounds were printed by Odumegwu Ojukwu and was later tendered throughout the Republic of Biafra. On the 6th of July 1967, the war broke out. On the 13th of January 1970, the war ended and Yakubu Gowon declared or named the war "No victor, no vanquish," in order to promote reconciliation and healing, which never happened, and never will it happen now. There was no healing. There was...
Did you hear that? That Yakubu Gowon pronounced, declared no victor, no vanquish, which never happened and will never happen. Really? Coming from you? Wow. You know one thing? It is forgiving that you don't know something and you are acting on ignorantly. You understand? You are doing it out of ignorance. Then it is different that when you know. Another thing is that another thing is this: when you know something and you are acting as if you are, you are right on what you're doing, but you actually know the truth. But because of the one of two gain that's on your way, you don't want to miss that chance. These two things are different things. You may act out of ignorance. You can be forgiven. But when you know, because for you to have time to do research and come up with this thing that you are reading now, okay, simply means that you know history about Biafra from get-go. Oh, you even know where to go and get those information, right? And you're busy telling people that don't mind them. You must vote. You must vote. Election must stand. How dare you to tell people this? You think you can control our fundamental human rights? People that sign petition. Some of you, when we talk about this petition that is signed against PM, some people think that petition was signed from people from the north, far north, from Meduguri. No, this is the Igbo people. How many Northerners are online? There are some people online. Northerners don't have that kind of, because they're known for aggressive mechanism. So they want to do anything. You see how Buhari planned on kidnapping of Mazi Nnamdi? Is it Buhari or Buhari's double? I don't know. But whoever the person may be, he planned to kidnap, not to talk, because that's what they know for. Aggression. They can go at they can go at any length. They can go extra mile to get what they want, whether it's right or wrong, as long as they achieve what they want to achieve. Igbos have this tendency of let's do and look back and see what people's reaction. That's why we are democratic in nature. They started signing the petition against PM. They signed petition. To the extent, an Igbo man, the Biafran, started calling embassies, encouraging other people to do the same. That after C0u made that video of him calling embassy, the one they called the one that claimed that he's ordinary president from Kogi State, that Kogi State man, people that are buying their people, he can't even go his village. Today, the one that said that he's Brekete family, pick up his own phone and started calling the embassy, Finnish embassy, all in the name to drag PM to somewhere. And after the call, the petition, the noise went so much, Finnish government went to summon PM. Oh my goodness! Even that they freeze all of them. People that when you watch the program, you think that they have not heard about PM. They don't even know that people talking about that. They pretend that everything was okay. Nobody, all of them, they were celebrating. He served him well. People that were commenting behind the scene, they're on their camera that time to show their face, to show the solidarity of Nigeria, that this thing must be done. That's how it should be. 95% of them are all Biafrans, Igbos. Both in-laws, Igbo in-laws, people that married Igbo women from other tribes. Like C0u today that is moving around, parading himself, he forgot that he's a comedian anymore since 2021 election. These are people married to Igbo woman. In the name, they like Igbo women. They like, because our women are very beautiful, isn't it? They want to marry our women. Then after marrying our women, they turn against you. In fact, anybody that married Igbo woman today, like I'm saying this is my own opinion. I'm not speaking for everybody. My own opinion. If I see you that you are from Yoruba, Hausa, TV, wherever you come from, and you are married to an Igbo woman, I always, deal with you with the carefulness, because most of them turn out to be the haters of Igbos. Femi Fanika Yode of this world. Like I said, C0u, that the freeze. These are people that is either they have their concubine, their real concubine, that's, this kind of concubine that is more important than the real wife. Is either that concubine is an Igbo, and all of them, they will gather information from these are our women about Igbos. When they open their mouth, they will be speaking as they have done it. They have done their findings about that particular thing. What they're actually telling you is the opinion of their wife or their concubine, who don't even know the gravity of what our people are going through. Because for you to say your people out, it simply means that you are not actually you don't mean anything good for our people. Now, pay attention to what is after all these things that is said in the past. Now, Liz is here reading a presidential note about Biafran to you. So that some of you that have this kind of hatred about her will say, hey, she have turned back, she's now talking about Biafra, our sister, we are forgiving you. We need to join her together and get it. Bam, 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 bam. I don't support it. Once you fell out, we have tested, we have tried to, nurse this kind of nonsense for a while, and it is time to stop it. Once you have talked nonsense, and you need to, before you be reintegrated again in the world of Nigerian, they say they want to reintegrate to the political space and all that. Once you are, before anybody will integrate you back, they need to put you at the back chair, so that because some people have ago on a monthly basis. Maybe some have it once in a year, annually. Maybe every February, every June, every August. That kind of ago that comes once in a year. That's this kind of madness that comes with Ogoro during Hammer time. That madness always happens. So some of our people have that kind of sabo. Your own sabo is renewed once. You can only renew it once in a year. You renew it, then you start sounding like a normal person again. Once that's ago, that month you renew it again with a different level of sabotage. So we need to know the level of your own first before people will start taking you serious.
No reconciliation, and there will never be reintegration. May the soul of our internal leader, Dim Odumebu, continue to find peace before God. If you are an Igbo man or woman, be proud of yourself. Be encouraged, and always know this: the war has not ended yet. The fight is only getting started.
This war with who? Is it not with Nigeria, right? And you also support somebody to be president of Nigeria. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I also want you to know this. The hatred they have for you is your strength, your hope, your voice, and your pride. And these are the reasons. The reasons why every tribe, despite the Igbos, is contained in this peace. Every tribe, which includes the North, the South, and the West, don't want to have anything to do with the Igbos. They don't want to associate with the Igbos. They don't want you to tag them with the Igbos. The reason is contained in this piece.
I disagree here. I disagree with you. This one. It's not that they don't want to have anything to do with you. They actually want to do something with you. But they don't want. The problem is that you are, although you have not mentioned the reasons. Maybe I will play it more to see what you have to say before I comment. Let me not take word from your mouth. Let me hear from her first. Okay.
It will surprise you to find out why the Igbos are the most hated in Nigeria. I know you are very anxious to find out why all the tribes in Nigeria are picking on the Igbos for no justifiable reason. Let's find out. First, the Igbo tribe is a unique tribe in Nigeria and Africa at large. Our uniqueness is what distinguishes us from other tribes in Nigeria because we are bold people, courageous people, fearless people, talented people, and most importantly, we are undefeated people. Our women are the most beautiful women in Nigeria and by extension, the whole of Africa. That is why some refer to us as angels that fell from the sky, probably because of our brown and white shining skin color. Our women are too beautiful to a fault and hardworking to the core. That is why men from other tribes in Nigeria always marry from Igbo land. If you want to have rest of mind, marry an Igbo woman. If you want to live long, marry an Igbo woman. If you want to eat good food, marry an Igbo woman. Igbo women are the best when it comes to keeping to the sanity and sanctity of marriage.
You contradicted yourself. You said that people from other tribes don't want to deal with Igbos, and you are here telling us that that's why other tribes want to marry an Igbo woman. What you've mentioned about what Igbo people, why they hate you and why they hate us, and I don't know, what you said here, I agree with you. But the only thing here is that they don't hate us just because of this. The main thing is fear of unknown. They are just afraid of us for all these things you have mentioned. Not that they don't want to deal with you. They don't want to do with you. They want to do with you, but they want to, they are seeing us like Onubu. That's bitter. So it's bitter, but you cannot let it go. And for you to use it, you have to squeeze it to your taste. Then you now use it. So on the process of squeezing us, they are marginalizing us. They want to be in, they want to sit on you, to squeeze you, control you, so that you be the way they want you to be. But all these things you mentioned here, they want to harness it from you, and they want to use it to be, you will be the one executing them on their behalf. So their name will be out there that they are the one doing it, whereas you are the main engine. That's what they want to do. And you don't want, because of that our unique nature that you're talking about, harboring us in that midst, is actually destroying them, because they focus more on doing what they think they can do to squeeze us to the level they want us to be, or the level they want to operate. By doing that, their attention are no longer on what they should focus on, which is to build the soul country they want us to be join them with. All those things are the reason why it is now our responsibilities to use all these things you've mentioned here to liberate ourselves from the shackle of kingdom of darkness. This kingdom of darkness is not just one, there are many. And when many hands are holding you, you don't just wait for your one hand to liberate. And one thing I want to also point out from what she said here is this: that our people are, that we have, not the West, the North, the South, all of them hate us, right? We are being hated. We also have Igbo people that hate Igbo. I mean, that doesn't mean we don't love ourselves. We do. There's no other tribe that love themselves more than the Igbo people love themselves. Every tribe have this kind of, sabo, this random sabos. That is not why, it shouldn't be a reason why we should not liberate ourselves. So for some of us that will say, even though we say that we hate ourselves, yes, we do. Just like you that are talking, do you think that everybody from Yoruba love Yoruba people? That's why it's not. For example, people that are telling you that Sunday Boho is wrong and that insulting what is it, Koiki, okay? These are people, Yorubas, attacking their own brother that are calling for their own freedom, knowing that this thing that your focus, all your strength is on Igbo people, because you are spending much of your time and all your strength to control Igbo people the way you want them to be, so that you can harness what they have, without doing what you do to make the country to be what it should be. and somehow you are paying attention on Igbo people to control them. You are somehow focusing on your personal agenda, which is not the agenda of the country that you want to build. There are many things that they have messed up, and they mess them up, believing that one day it will be good. Now, how can Igbo people liberate themselves? Who is going to lead it? God have blessed us with people. We have never lacked leaders. Forget about what they tell you. Igbos don't have leaders. We do. But people that are suppressing us, that want us, they are the one making everything to look as if we don't have what it takes to be ourselves, to be on our own. We do have all those things. We do. And John Uchenna said, holy, 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 holy. Mas Namarikana and Samanepa is another savior. Anyway, my brother, these two are God's, they are God gift to our people. They are God gift to our people, and we cannot deny the fact. Ojukwu was there. He did a very, very, very wonderful thing for our people. Igbo don't like leaders. It's just that some of us think that we, supporting these people that are suppressing us. When I say suppress, people will think that it's a random way, it's a normal way that we know. It's just like it's just like saying that you are being marginalized. Onubu, onubu. You understand? If you blow mad, and those things is the one that is going to, make the so-called country they wanted to build good, but they're not popular because they don't understand what you have. Anyway, let's continue. So some of them will listen to me that they will say that you are so proud and you are arrogant. That's why they hate Igbo people. They are so noisy. That's what they call noise, because you are telling them, you are showcasing God-given gifts in you.
Adhering to the rules and regulations, Jerry. Igbo woman has this natural or magical power of turning a poor man into a wealthy man overnight, because she knows how to manage money. She knows how to make money, and she equally knows how to spend money. She carries that grace of knowing how to make money to her husband's house. Igbo woman stays forever with her husband in any condition or situation. For her,
my people, this video is not about Igbo woman and the Igbo woman, and it's about our freedom. So what she's saying here is just Mejahiro Kenda. The only thing I want us to know is this: when you are for Biafra, be a Biafra. If you want to support Nigerian, come out with your full chest, just like Kenneth Okonkwo have done. Maybe tomorrow night he will start speaking grammar, making history. That I know those things. When I was in secondary school, we did this for Biafra. That's another thing. That's when they want to turn the steering. Anyway, this our brother posted this video. That is a marvelous arrange. I think Arinze may not know this girl very well, or maybe Arinze do, but he maybe have forgotten what the lady did, what she have done during the P2P's election, or probably Arinze may be part of people that obedient that repented. I don't know. Some said there will be no peace until justice. There will no peace until we get justice. But I say, even before, during, or after justice, there will never be peace between Nigeria and Biafra. Vengeance must be meted out in full until Nigeria is wiped out from the map. That's a strong word. Anyway, that is the end of the video. Okay? Not this video. I'm talking about the video of the Lizzie. So tell me what you think about what Lizzie said. I want to hear from your own opinion on the comment section. Tell me. Don't hide your feelings, okay? Be vocal. I don't want you to hide feelings about it. And we are going to touch some of the videos that we have before we end this video. Martin here said this one. I see you, Martin. We have seen videos of Dangote refinery on fire. Dangote refinery is on fire. I'm not happy. Oh God, Nigeria. Sometimes After wasting millions or billions, not millions, God forbid, it's billions. How can you say millions? Billions of dollars in the name of building a refinery. After wasting all those money, they now decided to set it ablaze. I don't know what is. I don't know the cause of the incident. I don't know why. What happened? I don't know anything about it. But the video is everywhere on social media. It's not. It's no longer a rumor. It is there. It is there. You can see it. And this is the video of Dangote's refinery. And for people that are mocking Odumede have prophesied in the past that this refinery will be set ablaze. And not all of them. I think some of them, some parts are now is on fire. Maybe the fire may escalate. I don't know. But whatever happened there, that is on fire is on fire. So there's no two ways about it. They have money to rebuild. My question is this: why is it that Dangote is the one building a refinery? Can anybody explain that to us? And this refinery, what are they even actually refining? What are they refinery? What are they refining? What do they want to refine before Tabrile? What do they want to refine? Is it gold in Zamfara? Is it gold in Zamfara? No. Oil from where? Southeast. And south, the so-called this southeast and southeast they call south because those south we are hearing is actually southeast part of Biafra. They are all Biafrans, but they carve them out because they think, oh yeah, the Igbo people should not focus on that oil. If it were to be northerners, no Igbo man will build a refinery. For what? You build it and you go and buy the crude oil. Okay? But this one is, everything is free gate for, they're giving free access to everything. Bring the most wayward businessman in Igbo land and give the person asset they gave to Dangote. The person will be more richer than Dangote. Known facts. I'm not making stories here. Anyway, thank God for this man you are seeing here. Thank God for him and all Biafrans, all well-meaningful Igbos, and all well-meaningful Biafrans, Igbo Biafrans and non-Igbo Biafrans. All of you that are actually following the event that nobody takes.
Is going to use me to end Nigeria. This evil Nigeria that is committing crime, that are known for crimes and terrorism. This evil Nigeria that is supporting terrorism. And all you people do is to support Nigeria because you are getting paid for the job and the evil journalism you do. God is going.
Clement said that Dangote refinery is deliberately set on fire. So you are saying that somebody intentionally set it on fire to achieve what? Is it terrorist act or something like that? Another blessing I need from God is to give us Biafra before my grave. He say, God bless you, my brother John. We shall all live to see Biafra. I'm telling you gospel truth. The speed, the whole thing is on now. The speed they are moving, the speed that the whole thing is moving on now is encouraging. Is encouraging because not only that. Okay, this is another video of another side view of Dangote's refinery. You see, this is another video of how the refinery is being destroyed in Lagos. One may ask, why is Lagos State the only, 90% of this destruction is happening in Lagos? Ya bụkwa na ife egwu n'omena ndị puku dịkwa ha nọzi na this state, to be honest with you. Buku dịkwa ka ha nọzi na this state. Because we understand that Nigerian is meant to fail. That even the leaders of Nigeria understand it. They know. And forget about that. Once you say it, they won't arrest you. The only thing is that deep down their mind, they know that it's not going to work. They are just trying to prolong the doomsday. They are trying to prolong it. That's the only thing they can do, is to prolong it. But to stop it is not. It can't. There's no way you can stop it. How can you stop that kind of thing? It's not possible. How can you stop it? It's unstoppable because it's meant to fail. It's meant to fail. So let me look for this video is what I want to share with us. No, not this one, not this one. Doesn't mean that I did not have a. Okay, let me visit. Just a moment. Let me visit PM page because there's a video there that I want to share with us. Very very important. That is where the professor of Odumeje. I want to play it here. Before this incident, so some of you that are undermining Odumeje, after this video, you may begin to respect him. Oh God, you know the.
Dangote, believe Dangote here will save him before that oil refinery bomb. I see fire coming in that oil kingdom. Please, I'm praying for 10 Dangote I saved. I'm telling you, that's a God. I saw where they are burning that oil catch fire, that village. I saw fire on that Dangote oil sorted. I have seen it. I want to keep quiet. I said, I said I'm prophesying. But I don't know when God push it out of me because there's so many things I want to keep quiet. Say Dangote, bring Dangote here, I will save him. Before that,
Say, bring Dangote here, I will save him. Odumeje. Bring Dangote here, I will save him. Let me go back again so that we see it. I want to play the short video from PM about. So this is the refinery.
Mr. D, yes, gas plenty. You outside going first. You no come inside. You this side going first. Come back outside first.
Okolie, Pascal, I see you. Hello, Ziambros, I see you. Thank you guys for your comment. Dinah is here. Nigeria is a joke where everything is fake. God bless you, my sister. You are in spirit. So that is Dangote's refinery. That's the refinery there that received
gas plenty. You outside go.
Receive deliverance today. Okay. So like as I said, like I told us at the beginning of this video, that Nigerians are now reacting to activities going on in Kenya. They are busy reacting to that, whereas Kenyans are busy doing the job. So when you that are you because I believe that all these African countries are learning corruption from Nigeria. They are learning it from Nigeria. Nigeria is the grandmaster, like the warehouse. These one are just mini shops, okay? Mini shops of corruption. So people that are close to this, people that are in this mini shop they have stood up and said no. We need to push back. But the warehouse of corruption, people there since you're still okay, it's okay, let's move on. Okay. And you don't hope that what you are seeing in Kenya will happen in Nigeria. It's not going to happen. If Yoruba people start mobilize themselves now, for example, to protest, against Tinubu, Nigerian people will use northern army against his own people. The protest will not be nationwide. If Igbo people join to protest, northern army, they will not tell you that this has to do with religion. It's Muslim, Christian. If northern people rise, okay, and try to protest against Tinubu, Yoruba people will tell you, no, these are our own brother. These are our brother, don't protest. And Igbos will not protest at all. If people start to protest against this government, I'm talking about the hardship. The same case that Kenyans are facing today, that they have decided to come out and fight back. If you start that kind of agitation, for example, the Yoruba and the North will tell you no, they are agitating because their brother lost the election. So tell me where you will start this kind of revolution that everybody is eyeing, like Showore and many people that believe that somehow that's the only answer. That's not an answer. That is just like prolonging a doomsday. The only answer is division. You love your people, right? Okay, go and go and build your place. Because since Northerners cannot protest against their own people, against their own man in the power, why don't they focus on why don't they have that man in their region? Is that not better? Since Yorubas cannot rise against their own brother, or even if they do, the East will not join you because you have marginalized us for a long time. So you are not crying. Let this cry be with you alone. You can see everyone have reason not to, be together, right? The structure of Nigeria, this not has something to do with the political issue. This is just about the belief system of everybody every company that makes up Nigeria today. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. We have our own differences and our own reason. That's why it makes me laugh when somebody says that Igbos are not only the one, are not the only one, are only the people that have been marginalized in the country. That everybody. You understand? So things need to be done about it, and the only thing that we know that will be done is separation. We need to go on a separate way and be ourselves without looking back. Now let me go back to the information so that we can round up the program, because this is 28 minutes. Okay. This after 6 Biafran time, if I'm not mistaken. So we need to round up because PM is coming live. I think, let me confirm that because I saw his post yesterday. Let me go back to his post, to his page. I saw a post PM made yesterday that he made that he's coming. He's going to today. He's going to have. Is it not today? State of the Nation. I think it is there. So I have to work with the time so that I will not be streaming while he come live. Please, if you can confirm that for me, if PM is coming live today. Because I think I saw the post that he's coming live, but I've forgotten the date. Let me reconfirm again. Okay. Okay, it will be on 27th. 27th. Okay. Not 26th. Today is 26th. Today is 26th. So it will be. It's not. It will be tomorrow. 7 p.m. Okay, not today. Okay, not today. So we still have time, but we are going to see how many minutes we have. Okay, tomorrow, 27 p.m. is going to have State of the Nation coverage, State of the Nation address on the OEAS, Restoration of Biafran Referendum, Resolution on Biafran Referendum. Okay, and okay, tomorrow, 27th, June 27, 2024, 7 p.m. Biafran time. PM is coming, we will be live, not today. That will be on tomorrow is what? Today is 26. Okay, tomorrow will be Thursday. So Thursday, 7 p.m. Biafran time, PM will be live, State of the Nation. Okay, let me quickly bring another information that we are going to look into before we end the program. Okay.
In the realm of the spirit, I don't know. The promise was so accurate and coming to pass because that is why Simon ever in the realm of the spirit, I don't know whether God and whatever is going on in the realm of the spirit, the Lord wants me to see and also prophesy of what is already. It's going to be a great surprise to West Africa, a great surprise to even the country Nigeria. I shocked the people of Biafran because it is going to be beyond your calculation and beyond every strategy that you think. These things are messages that as it comes, the Lord and I will give to Major Prophet God. I come out and deliver it like that, without fear or favor, without favoritism. I go exactly the way it is, because this man in the realm of the spirit is going to come to a point that all the Africa will recognize by fire, by force, and recognize and go beyond something that is now beyond legalism and everything that needed to now be penciled down and go to what's called ICC, and all the whole world now will see it, and it becomes so obvious and so clear in the sight of everybody about what's called the state of Biafra.
Okay. So that is what this man of God said. But let's read the caption that this our brother put here. Biafran exit from Nigerian to the world. To the world. It is happening across the globe. Congratulations to Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa of the Biafran Republic Government in Exile and Biafrans across the globe. Heavy tension is happening now in Nigerian terrorist state. That's what this our brother posted, and we all know what tension that he's talking about. Okay, it's not hidden. So this is what we are going to bring. The last video that we have for you is this. He said it is fake news that he was chilling in Zanzibar when the news came out about new aircraft. The same aircraft that people are debating seriously on. Let's hear him.
I never said that. I was actually in Tanzania for the president and the vice, irrespective of the fact that Nigerians are hungry or whatever. I never said that. I was actually in Tanzania, in Zanzibar. So this is the handiwork of propagandists and people who never see feed columnists who never see.
The problem I have with what he said here is Nigerians are hungry or whatever. This is a Senate president. That's to tell you the level of I don't care in the minds of these politicians. Listen to him again.
For the president and the vice, irrespective of the fact that Nigerians are hungry or whatever. I never said that. I was actually in Tanzania.
This man is shaking head.
This is the handiwork of propagandists and people who never see feed columnists who never see. For the president and the vice, irrespective of the fact that Nigerians are hungry or whatever. I never said that. I was actually.
It is very, very clear that they don't care about anybody. So, for people that believe that this tomato you are seeing here is from Oduduwa land, every part of Nigerian are gifted. Just that we are somehow lazy, that our people don't go to farm. We rely on the northerners. That's why they are bragging. Here is from Yoruba land. Let me on the volume so you hear.
Chamber, we are live now at Ọjàọ̀dàn ní express Ọjàọ̀dàn lọ sí Wùbẹ́. Òun la ti ṣe láìfù yìí. Ṣẹ́jìrì, wọ́n jẹ́ pé wá wí tòmátò Yorùbá ni. Àwọn Fúlàní máa wá ń rà lọ́wọ́ àwọn máa lọ́ tún tà. Gbogbo wọn tó ń sọ wípé ẹ ti rí. Ẹ máa gbọ́, wọ́n jẹ́ pé mi pé 3,500, 4,000 làwọn máa ń ta ọ̀rẹ́ tó bá kámẹ́rà ní ìgbòrí lọ́dọ̀ wa. 10,000. 40,000 gbà mí ṣé ń gbọ́ àwọn fún haúsá yìí máa ń rà ní 3,000 4,000 bọ̀tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lọ rà ní my 12 báyìí apẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́wọ̀n olè ọmọ máa ta fún yín ní 14,000 8,000 àwọn ìdílé ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí o according to gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ́ọ̀sì.
I don't understand anything they're saying here, but I believe that what they're talking about is that they can have their own tomato in their own land without relying on nothing else. Because that's people look at the Koike said Yoruba tomatoes. That you don't have you cannot. Why are you talking about division? How will you don't want us to eat tomato again? You don't want us to eat onions again? Where will we be buying? How can we be having where can we be having getting our own tomato? We don't have all this food stuff is from the north. You want to bring your own country? Do you have food? As if you don't have land. Nothing else. What is the climate of the climate in the north that you cannot get in the south? Sometimes that you refuse to go to farm does not mean that your land is not fertile to grow. This kind those things. The Biafran land, we have it. Try. People have tested it and they have confirmed it. You can grow all those things there in your land, but you fail to do that because you are lazy and you think that is. You can only have it from the north. If they did not give it to you, you are finished. It's not true. That is weak excuses to buy time to remain in Nigeria. Armstrong, I see you. Good morning. Your time. Ndewo. Thank you for your comment. I think okay. Dana was here. I think Dana is not here now. Because I would have liked to ask her to translate to us what these people said here. But nevertheless, we are going to come back again. Please, thank you so much for your time. We are going to end the stream now. Thank you. And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like the video, share it, comment. Tell us what you think about what we've discussed so far. Have a wonderful evening, afternoon, depending on time zone. See you again. We are going to come back, hopefully, late our broadcast. Bye-bye for now. See you again tomorrow. See you again tonight, not tomorrow. Bye-bye.